Guys, welcome back to another one. Look at this, some of the Mexican stuff. Tortas, tacos, y gringas. So guys, we are here now in Provenza. I'm traveling Eddie, we're going places. So let's go, let's check it out. This is the nighttime scene. This is more happening on a Saturday night than Jarrah's Park. Enjoy everything, enjoy the sights. If you want to have fun, it's safe. Not people here and it's safe. All this is a pedestrian walk area, guys, except for this cross right there, but everything is pedestrian. You can walk across. This is a creek that comes through. The creek is called La Presidenta, and we're coming through. And we're coming through back this way, and you got a lot to do here. You got so many things to choose from. It's good, it's safe. Really, guys, if you like this so far, give it a like. Remember, down below is the like button. Give it a like if you like it. It helps the video. Subscribe. Also, the button to subscribe, it's free. It helps the channel grow. Share it on YouTube. Share it with your friends on whatever. And leave comments. Let's continue. So this is the other area here in Provenza. They even have an Indian food restaurant called Naan right up the street. I'll show you in a moment, guys. I'm just pausing and going and recording so I don't get hit with a copyright jam. Now that's Naan. That's the Indian restaurant right here. Indian flavors. Naan. If you like Indian food, this is the place. Who wants to go to Bangkok, Oriental City, where everybody's crazy? Okay, the sound is out for now, all that stuff. But so far, we're going to go around the corner and see some more stuff. This is a happening place, guys. You got to come and check it out. It's pretty safe. But, you know, you got to do you. If you don't want to come here, you don't come here. Let's go around the corner. Look, even Vaginato Live, Vaginato. Even some Turkish food. Look at this, a Turkish restaurant, brunch. It's called Lezzet or whatever, Lezzet. So you got all these restaurants here, good food. Nice vibe. Tikka dogs. Ouch, that's bright. Bright stuff. And a hostel, a hotel. That's a hotel. Guys, there are a lot of hotels here on this street here in Provenza area. A lot of them here, so you can probably just come. You don't even have to make a reservation and find them yourself and just walk in and say, hey, do you have something available? ¿Tienes una habitación? ¿Tienes algo disponible? Do you have something available? ¿Tienes algo disponible? You got a lot of places. You want it, they got it all here. So this is the other area. Another area got some other live music or places where they play some music. All of this is good. This is all Provenza. 10th Street is over there, right over there at the traffic light. So you got all of this is happening, guys. This is happening. If you like it, nice barbershops, really expensive. Want to walk down this way, bro? Yeah. All right, let's go down this way. And you got all of this. And if you want breakfast, some of these places offer breakfast in the morning, lattes. And there's the creek. The creek is right there, running down. If you want to hear the sound of the creek. And Ruben Blades. So this is where a lot of foreigners come to. A lot of foreigners come here from all over the world. They love to hang out here. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're wrapping it up. There's Johnny Hollywood here and myself. Did you like it? Good? It's awesome. Very safe? Awesome. So we're loving it. So guys, give it a like. That's it for now. We'll be having more fun here in Medellín. It's good. Later. Woo! I don't even have the voice. All right.